Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by eliminating easy variables. Check batteries and plug the keyboard and mouse directly into rear USB ports. Once done, remove any unpowered hubs or long extension cables because they often cause intermittent power drops. Make sure to disable other Bluetooth and 4 GHz transmitters nearby to rule out radio interference. While you're at it, test a different cable or port to confirm whether the problem is the peripheral or the PC's USB path. Next, you dive into software. In Device Manager, uninstall the HID keyboard/mouse entries and reinstall drivers from the manufacturer, because Windows generic drivers sometimes drop connections. Then adjust power options. Turn off USB selective suspend and uncheck. Allow the computer to turn off this device on each USB hub. Also update chipset drivers and, if available, flash firmware for the devices and update the motherboard BIOS. These fixes resolve timing and compatibility issues that cause random disconnects. Finally, you validate the repair. Reproduce the issue while watching Event Viewer to capture USB or driver errors. Note timestamps and actions so you can correlate events. If disconnects continue, test the keyboard and mouse on a different PC to identify a hardware fault versus your system. As a last step, perform a factory reset or restore device firmware, and contact the vendor for RMA if the unit fails on another machine. One key troubleshooting tip: always swap one component at a time to pinpoint the culprit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.